A very good afternoon, Team Zimbabwe. Masera welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. My name is Ronald Wekomakusha, and this afternoon we are taking a look onto this prophecy, and it's very important for us to do so because it reflects something very important. Apostle Joel says, "Don't be deceived by Jezebel, false media, and political prophets' analysis of Zimbabwe current political events. Don't be deceived by false apostles and fake prophets' analysis of Zimbabwe politics. We need truth only." And he says, "It is brutally poking Chamisa with a broken glass, according to prophetic dream of 2 October 2020. Only a vile, heartless person refuses to acknowledge such an obvious truth. In 2016, God says enough is enough of lies and deception in Zimbabwe. Enough is enough of the Antichrist regime in Zimbabwe. God is separating the tares or weeds from the wheat. The great awakening is here. The great divide is here. Satanists are being exposed for everyone to see." This is what Apostle Joel said. And here is the prophecy which we need to take a look right now at this moment in time. So it's a prophetic dream which was posted on 2 October 2020. And it says, "We were in a room and the people were seated on tables. I was seated on a table with my former schoolmate, Alex Mambosasa, who is a law firm. Mambosasa was not seated on luxury chairs, including myself, but others were comfortably seated on them. It seemed I wanted to move to one of the luxury chairs, but was interrupted by ED coming into to inflict pain on Mambosasa. ED left his table and started poking Mambosasa with a broken mirror glass. Mambosasa never pushed back. As ED continued to inflict more pain, none in the room could stand up to him. Many ladies were pained but could not do anything. We tried to look for Auxilia. In fact, she came but could not do anything. There was one youth who let out obscenities supporting what ED was doing. Later, ED started accusing Mambosasa of stealing his pen and inflicted more pain. This time, he made a cut across Mambosasa's face. Then from nowhere, Ibbo Mandaza stood up to ED and boldly declared that he is the one who gave Mambosasa the pen, and ED was lying. Ibbo Mandaza had few people accompanying him as he walked to challenge ED. Who is Alex Mambosasa? Who is Ibbo Mandaza? And where did he get the authority to stop ED? What is the significance of the pen? What made Alex Mambosasa not to retaliate while ED was inflicting more pain? Why were people afraid to intervene? Why did God choose Ibbo Mandaza as a prophetic symbol to boldly confront ED? Amen. So this is what Apostle Joel prophesied in 2020 October. And he says that this is happening right now. And the person with who has been inflicted so much pain is Nelson Chamisa, but is not acting. And according to this, in my view, to answer the questions asked here, I believe that Alex Mambosasa, as a lawyer, he represents Nelson Chamisa. And Ibbo Mandaza, I believe that he represents those who are calling for a national transitional government. And I believe that there are some people who are actually backing him and giving him that authority. The question is, what is the significance of the pen? So we need other people to actually respond. So we would love to get more understanding from this dream and see how it applies to our current scenario and how we can gain our freedoms. Okay. So there was an interpretation, but right now from this we cannot get that interpretation. But we can see from this image that he says the lawyer represents Chamisa. So we need to go to Apostle Joe's platform on a later day and interrogate this prophecy. Zvikanzi munotidzosera kumashure imi rega mumwe azoti okay vari kutuka. So it is what it is in Zimbabwe. I do not know what you think about this whole prophecy, but this is what is happening. This is what prophet or Apostle Joe is saying. So if you take a look on what is happening, it seems as if it's true, because Nelson Chamisa has done nothing at this moment in time. Since 2008, he has done nothing, and we are seeing other people intervening at this moment in time. So we are going to find the interpretation so that we understand the meaning of all this. So it is what it is. Let us meet in other episodes and other broadcasts.